Imagine waking up one day to find your basement transformed into an indoor pool. No, not the luxurious kind you'd brag about on social media. We're talking about a murky, unwanted water feature. Today we're diving into the world of sump pumps, the unsung heroes of home maintenance. Your sump pump is your first line of defense against basement flooding. But here's the thing, it can't do its job if it's not working properly. That's where regular inspections come in. Consistent checks and maintenance are crucial for your sump pump's longevity and efficiency. Sure, you could inspect your sump pump yourself, but there are benefits to having an expert evaluate your system. A professional inspection can catch issues you might miss and give you personalized recommendations on how to optimize your sump pump's performance. Installing a sump pump isn't a set it and forget it deal. There are key considerations to ensure optimal performance and safety. One of the most important factors is choosing the right discharge location. This prevents water from seeping back into your basement and causing issues. Your sump pump is only as good as its ability to alert you when something's wrong. That's where a sump pump alarm comes in. This handy device can save you from unexpected failures and flooding by detecting power loss, clogs, or malfunctions.
Your comfort needs are in good hands with Anthem Air Conditioning and Plumbing. Our skilled technicians provide professional, punctual, and quality HVAC services you can depend on.
Your sump pump has several key components that need to be kept in top condition to avoid malfunctions. The float switch, for example, tells your sump pump when to kick into gear. Regular testing and cleaning of the float switch ensure it's ready to go when duty calls. Even with regular maintenance, sump pumps can encounter issues from time to time. One of the most frequent is power loss. That's why it's important to have a backup power source, like a battery backup system. Your sump pump works hardest during extreme weather events like heavy rainfall or rapid snowmelt. Before a big storm hits, give your sump pump a checkup and ensure it's ready to handle whatever Mother Nature throws its way. Keep your basement dry and extend your sump pump's life with regular checks. Don't wait for a flood to find out it's broken. Pro spot issues you'd miss, ensuring top-notch performance.
Stop! You hear that? It's the snap, crackle, pop of the water heater. Happens when cold water from the city enters into your water heater, mixing with your 125 degree temperature water heater, creating causing an expanding and contracting of the metal within the water heater. This is a result of lack of maintenance and or age wear and tear. Did you know that it is a manufacturer's recommendation to flush your water heater at least once a year? This will prevent unnecessary wear and tear and extend the life of your water heater. Doing this one time a year will also prevent other catastrophic failures within the home, as the water heater is the largest appliance in the home. So if you don't want Rice Krispies in your cup in the morning for breakfast, please give us a call and schedule your $79 water heater safety inspection.
So there you have it, folks. Regular sump pump maintenance might not be as glamorous as Hollywood blockbusters, but it's essential for keeping your home dry and cozy. Thanks for watching, and remember to give your sump pump some TLC. It deserves it.